Why is sanitization crucial for preventing XSS vulnerabilities? Imagine a website where anyone can post comments, but some users try to sneak in harmful code instead. That's where sanitization steps in to keep things safe. When users submit data, it often contains text, images, or even HTML. Without cleaning this input, malicious scripts can slip through. These scripts can run in other users' browsers, stealing cookies or hijacking sessions. This is what we call cross-site scripting, or XSS. Sanitization is the process of cleaning user input to remove or neutralize dangerous code before it's stored or shown on a website. Think of it like washing your hands before cooking. It stops germs from spreading. If a user tries to insert a script tag or an event handler like onClick, sanitization strips these out. This way, the input becomes safe to display as plain text or harmless HTML. Why does this matter? Because if malicious scripts are allowed to run, attackers can hijack user sessions, steal sensitive data, or even manipulate website content. Sanitization acts as a barrier, preventing these scripts from executing. It works alongside validation, which checks if input matches expected formats, and encoding, which converts special characters into safe representations. Together, they form a strong defense. Backend developers need to sanitize data before saving it in databases or sending it back in responses. This is especially important when APIs return HTML or JSON that might be rendered by browsers. If not sanitized, these responses could execute harmful scripts, putting users at risk. Sometimes, users want to include HTML in their submissions, like in rich text editors. Sanitization then needs to be smart enough to remove only unsafe parts while keeping the good formatting. This balances security with user experience. Even modern frameworks try to handle escaping and encoding, but they might miss some tricky cases. Adding sanitization gives an extra layer of protection. Using trusted libraries that parse and clean input is a good practice. Regularly updating these tools is key because attackers keep finding new ways to bypass defenses. In short, sanitization is a vital step in backend security. It stops malicious scripts from sneaking into your website, protecting your users and your data. It works hand in hand with other security practices to create a safer online environment for everyone.